Today we're going to be putting 100 fireworks inside a Melon playground house. 120 maybe. Okay. But for the sake of it looking good, 100 fireworks only. Alright, no, an ad! The sussy ad is over. I swear, what is with this?
And the ad was very ridiculous and disgusting.
Yeah, quite inappropriate. Anyway! Sorry, I'm lagging.
What?
Sorry, I'm lagging. Darn it! Select already!
Just do the show.
But I don't care. I'll oh my god! Explode already!
What are you doing?
I think this is... It's not working. I have to turn on every one of them. Alright. Activate. Now. Let the show begin. Alright. I hope I am not gonna explode my device. Are you kidding? Let's see.
Huh?
Pause. Let's pause. Let's see it at night. Let's see the chaos at night. Look at this. It is heaven. It is so beautiful. Oh my god. I've been blessed.
It looks like water lily.
To be honest, it does. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely blessed. Let's see the condition of the house. Yep. Completely destroyed. Alright.
The game is getting laggy.
Alright. So that's it. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye.
Just like a video.